Placing your spa on your property is one of the most exciting steps in the delivery process, and you may be wondering what vehicle type is best to lift it into position, a crane or a Hiab. In this video, you will learn the differences between the two vehicles, the types of properties and landscapes that require a crane, key factors to consider, and more. With this information, you will have a better idea of what crane type you will need to get your spa into position. A crane is a machine mounted on a vehicle and used to lift heavy loads. Cranes come in all shapes and sizes. For spa deliveries, cranes are typically used when a spa needs to be lifted over a house. They are also used if the spa needs to be placed further away from the lifting location, or if the spa is being lifted from a significant slope. A Hiab is a small crane mounted to a truck. A Hiab is likely to be the ideal option if you need to lift a spa over a fence, a garden, or if the placement of the spa is quite close to the truck. To put it simply, the main difference between a crane and a Hiab is their size and lifting capabilities. A crane will typically use counterweights, whereas a Hiab will not. There are two main factors that will determine if you need to hire a crane or a Hiab. The first one is objects. You may need to hire a crane or Hiab if a fence, retaining wall, shrubs, a house, or nearby buildings mean that the spa cannot be wheeled into position. The second factor is the size of the spa. Certain spas also require a crane or Hiab because they are too heavy or too large to wheel to position by hand. For example, if you are planning to install an entertainer spa or a swim spa, you will require a Hiab at a minimum, otherwise a crane. If you do require a crane or a Hiab for your spa installation, there are 5 points to keep in mind. The support leg span for crane and a Hiab. Is there enough room for the leg to deploy? Are there overhanging items such as wires, power lines, or large trees? Neighbouring properties? Please measure and advise us of fence heights, roof eaves, and reach distances. And also take note of any other objects that could prevent the delivery team from getting your spa successfully into position. Don't worry, Spa World won't leave you on your own in making a decision between using a Hiab or a crane. To make it easier for you, we ask all customers to send through a video of your property access to your Spa World concierge. They'll be able to help guide you in making contact with a preferred Hiab or crane company. Ultimately, the crane or Hiab company will decide which equipment is required for your spa installation. The video process is really simple and you can take it on your smartphone. Watch this video here to get an understanding of exactly what you need to do. To avoid any delivery delays, we recommend that you arrange the hiring of the crane well in advance. With this knowledge, you're on the right track to experiencing a smooth and straightforward spa delivery.